up, guys? We are out here at the middle fork of the Judith River with our brand new toy,
2021 Polaris RZR XP 1000.
This is a trail we really enjoy bringing our Jeep to. It has a lot of different terrains, but it does get really narrow, and since I value our Jeep's paint job, we're really excited to take the RZR down there since it's a little bit narrow and we'll go through this with ease. And it'll do it a lot faster. We're ready to get going.
Cool thing about these RZRs with the Walker Evans racing shocks, they're 16-point adjustable shocks. So since we're going over some rocky terrain today and not really going fast, it's nice to be able to adjust it to a softer setting. It can go from 1 to 16 in order of stiffness to softness. So when we go over the rocks, it's a lot smoother. So there's a little cap here at the top, and you turn it left or right depending on. So we're going to be turning it counterclockwise to make it softer. That's it. It's independent front and rear suspension. So what you just saw, I go around at all four corners, make sure that they're matching so we get the same ride quality and can go over all these obstacles.
I came out here a couple weeks ago. Tyler had to work one weekend and I was out here with some local Jeepers. I tried to go up this obstacle, but Chick Norris, our Jeep, was just a little too short on clearance, so she high centered a little bit. I will roll that footage now. We're gonna see if our RZR can make it up here today though. Heifers didn't wave back. We had an absolute blast doing this trail in our Jeep, and today was amazing doing it on our RZR. We absolutely love it. We can't wait to take it out again, and we will of course film that for you guys to watch. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of our adventures, go ahead and subscribe down below, and if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Now it's time for us to get headed back home.